Hello and welcome. Now in this video we're going to learn about arrays conversion methods. So mainly these are two local string and join method. Okay. So all the objects have two local string and value of methods available, and because arrays are just inheriting all the behavior from the object, we get to use these methods in arrays. Two string and two local string, they pretty much same. Two local string, the output is based on the local time, so in which country you are, the result can vary, otherwise it's pretty much same. Okay, so let's try these things out. Let's create a variable colors equals to red, green, blue. Okay, so I've got an array of colors. Now what I can do is I can use toString method. So colors toString. So array, you want to output in a string, so you use this method toString. All right, and see, as you can see, it has been converted to string. Awesome. What you can do is you can use join, and this join method takes an argument. So how do you want to join? You want to join them with space, then that's fine. Let's see, refresh. As you can see, there is space, red, green, blue. Now if you want to join with, let's say, a dash, save, refresh, red, green, blue. So this is how you work with arrays. When you're programming, you come across a time when you have certain arrays, whether it's coming from the user or from the API or something. So arrays conversion methods, toString and join, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. When you start building real application, that time you will realize the usefulness of all these methods. Okay, so now when you're learning all these methods, you just console out an alert, and you might think, oh, when we're going to use these in real world? The time will come, don't worry. Just spend as much time as you need on the basics. It will pay off, because it can get boring. You might feel like, nah, I just want to go out and build something. Don't rush. Spend as much time as you can on the basics, then the rest of your life will be awesome. You will be building and building and building and never have to worry about the basics again. Otherwise you always feel like, oh, maybe I should go back and go through the basics again, and that wouldn't be really a pleasant experience. Trust me, whatever time you're spending on this one, trust me, it will pay off 100%. Okay, so array methods are pretty powerful. So we just covered this one, and in the next video we're going to cover the stack methods, push and pop. All right, so I will see you in the next video. Thank you.